Alright guys, that was a lot of work, but this thing needed it. I bought this thing used on eBay a few years ago. Run and drove fine, but it was pretty hammered. Needed a lot of cleanup. Found a lot of bad ball bearings in there. They just come apart over the years. And I don't know where this car came from. It's got so much aftermarket stuff on it. It was numbered like it was used for, I don't know, like a loaner car at a track or some kind of RC race, carnival ride or little fair game. I don't know. It had numbers on the chassis that matched the body, and I'm sure it had a radio for it at one point that matched it, but I like it. It's a bunch of stuff. Reminds me of my childhood, all this old aluminum hop-up stuff. Yeah, just needed a good once-over. It's got so much stuff on it. Just used light soap on everything. Didn't want to strip any of the anodizing off of all this vintage stuff. And yeah, didn't have any real issue with it. Replaced all the ball bearings. Replaced a couple pieces like the rear axle or rear gearbox itself. And just some stuff that I had floating around that it was better than what was on there. I wanted to replace the front gearbox, but it's been pretty modified underneath there for the steering to clear, because this has a different kind of steering mount and everything. But it's well worth it in the end. This car is tip-top shape other than the scratches along the bottom. This piece here was so scratched up I actually filed it down smooth. Probably could have went a little further, just evened out the finish, but oh well. It's a driver. And it came with this body. This was the 300ZX, and it's pretty beat up, but I like it. I've added some drift stuff to it. Got the wing and the replacement headlight there. Fits my style. Got lots of stickers on the back. But tried out some different tires and wheels. Used some cheapies off of eBay. Drift tires already pre-glued and everything. So we'll see. This thing's more of a shelf queen, even though it's been driven hard, but I like to take care of it. It's historical to me. But yeah, we'll wrap this video up, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. Keep it scale, and I'll see y'all next time.